This is a review of the Anchor Hawking 96-ounce Mini Montana glass jar with lid. These come as 4 pieces, 2 glass jars, and 2 solid black colored lids. I've had these in my pantry for about 3 years, and as a professional organizer, I've used these in a few of my clients' homes. These are great for storing flours, pastas, sugars, and grains. I especially love these because their seals are great for storing sugars, which tend to harden in acrylic containers. I also love decanting food in these as they keep my food neatly contained. These are 8.5 inches high and approximately 6.5 inches wide and fit a standard bag of sugar or flour. They fit well in a pantry or on a shelf and are convenient for baking as you can fit most standard measuring cups inside them. They're also dishwasher safe, which is a big plus, and BPA free. Made in the USA by the Anchor Hawking Company, which has been around for over 100 years. It's why I choose these for myself and my clients. And since they're my go-to, I continue to give them 5 stars.